Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July-August 2023 Chic Beauty Box unboxing. So this is a beauty subscription box that comes every other month, which is why I called it the July/August box. And this cost $35. And what's really fun about this is that it's all makeup. That was one of my big complaints from other beauty subscription boxes, was that I wasn't getting enough makeup. And makeup is what I prefer to get most in my beauty subscription boxes. So let's go ahead and see what I got in this box. We've got some product information here. I like the look of this month's theme. And it came with some confetti. I am loving the pink here. Oh, okay. We're going to start off with an Ofra product, one of the most popular brands that I get in all beauty subscriptions. And this here is the Your Best Lashes Yet. Oh, HD Volumizing Mascara in black. And I am actually shocked to say that I have never tried out an Ofra mascara. And I have tried out so many Ofra products. Just want to get a little peek at what this looks like. I mean, like some classic Ofra style packaging here. I am going to resist trying anything out in this unboxing video because I have a makeup review series here on YouTube where I would want to try out all of the makeup products that I get in this box. But I do have a lot of makeup that I get in my beauty subscriptions. So if there's ever any products that you are extra excited for me to review first, or just any products in general that you want me to review, just let me know in the comments down below. And also I unbox all of my beauty subscriptions that I get here on my YouTube channel. So if you like subscription unboxings, makeup reviews, tutorials, that type of content, then I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But okay, let's see. The retail value on the Ofra Cosmetics HD Volumizing Mascara is $26. Wow, that is definitely on the pricier end for a mascara. All right, let's see what else is in this box. I also got the, Give Them Lala Beauty. This is a brand that I've now tried out a couple products from, but I have loved everything I've tried out from this brand. And what I have here is the Hydro Gloss. In the shade James. That's my husband's name. Oh, I'm excited I got this shade. Let's see what it looks like. Kind of hard to tell from the kind of frosted glass look of the packaging. But this looks like a really pretty lip gloss color. I am excited to try this out. I love lip products. Basically, I feel like I love trying out every type of makeup product. The mascara, the lip gloss. I think this box is off to a fantastic start. The Give Them Lala Beauty Hydro Gloss retails for $16. All right, what is next? Oh, yay, Laura Geller. This is a great makeup brand. This is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in the shade Heart of Gold. Let's see what this looks like. This looks so pretty. This one looks like a super glittery highlight. This one more of that classic glowy highlight, I think. And really nice packaging. These shades look so pretty. See, I really am trying to resist swatching right now because I'm just so drawn to the glitter, but gonna save that for the dedicated review video. I'm excited to see how these will look as a highlighter, but I also think these could look great on the eyes as well. So another product I am so excited that I got in this box. Let's see. Laura Geller is a more pricey brand. The High Def Glow Illuminator Duo. Wow, yeah, $42 retail value for this duo here. Yep, definitely high end in my opinion. All right, so you get 5 full-size products. Let's see, the next product in here is the Mud Masky Glam Care Glowy Illuminating Blush Drops. This sounds really cool. Blush plus highlighter in the color Pink Martini. Love the sound of that. highlighting, glowing, softening, brightening, shimmering, fragrance free. So this is a brand that I have gotten some products from before, but I'm not too familiar with it, but I love the sound of a glowy illuminating blush drop. Oh yeah, that is right up my alley as well. Seriously, this is an awesome box this time around. Let's see, the Mud Masky. I'm not sure. Yeah, glowy illuminating blush drops, retail value of $28. I wasn't sure like what kind of price point Mud Masky, am I even saying that right? falls into, but I would say also kind of pricey. All of the products I've pulled out so far are definitely pricier than what I like to spend on my own when it comes to shopping for makeup. I prefer to get these types of products in a great deal in a subscription box like this. So I am very excited right now. Let's see what my fifth and final product in here is. Ending on Fenty Beauty is a great way to end an unboxing. Here I got the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Okay, this is ringing a bell in my memory now that I did choose this. When it comes to complexion type products, I think it's great when you do get to choose your product, choose your shade. And I love Fenty Beauty products, and I also love trying out complexion foundation type products. So a fantastic product to end on. Now I feel like this might be one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes I have gotten, from the types of products to the brands, the value. The Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation is a $38 value. I think I need to add up my total retail value because I think it's going to be one of the highest I've gotten. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick recap and let you know my total retail value, but the product information this time around has all of the different products that you could have gotten, which is actually kind of tough to see because there are some products on here that I really wish I got. Like there are some NARS products on here. The NARS Cosmetics Extreme Effects Eyeshadow Palette, retail value of $59. Oh, how I wish I got that. I love an eyeshadow palette, and getting to try out NARS is also very exciting to me. Let's see what else is on here. There's a Rimmel London eyeshadow stick, another NARS eyeshadow duo. Oh, the Elizabeth Arden Sparkle and Shine color palette. I actually have gotten that before in the Chic Beauty Box. Then also the NYX color correcting primer. I believe I've gotten that as well. And the Jordana Triple Play All Over Color. Wonder what that is. But wow, such a great selection in the July-August box. So what I got is the Ofra Mascara, the Give Them Lala Beauty Gloss, the Laura Geller Illuminator Duo, the Mud Masky Blush Drops, and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. And those 5 products bring me to a total retail value of $150, which I paid $35 for this box. That is amazing because these really are all products that I want to try out, that I would have wanted to purchase on my own, but like I was saying, I probably would never have spent the money on these. So this is exactly what I want my beauty subscriptions to be like. I am so happy with this. This makes me really want to recommend Chic Beauty Box to everyone, whereas previous Chic Beauty Boxes that I'd gotten were not this great. So I'm hoping that the trajectory for Chic Beauty Box continues like this. Like, this is what I want to continue getting in my box. I can't wait to try all of these products out. And if you've tried any of these, definitely let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are. If you have any tips for when I go to try them out, I would love to get that type of information. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.